Alrighty, it is Thursday and we're doing a little bit of a forecast update for you here live on the Fox 10 Gulf Stream. I'm meteorologist Nicholas Herboso. We have big changes ahead in the forecast and we're here to talk about it, and you can see it on the satellite and radar picture. We take you to that live look. This is the current satellite and radar across the southeastern United States, and we can see that we have rain on the picture. Yes, rain and clouds moving our way. We had a few showers in southern Baldwin County right now, but the big stuff is off to our west over Louisiana, and all this will be approaching our area as we head later into this evening. And then for your Friday forecast is looking mostly cloudy with the slight chance of just a few of those showers. So we see here, as I switch to the graphic system full, you have it full. I'm going to switch on my side so I can start running things here. You see that you have a pretty solid line of showers off to our west. You can see it right here, all of these showers. However, if we take a zoom in, you can see they're holding together pretty nicely right now. But as we go through time, they will break apart a little bit. We'll take a look at Futurecast in a second. But the simple story is we're not going to get such a large area of rain moving through our area that we see in Louisiana right now. The overall setup is quite interesting. I'm not going to go too deep into it just yet, but we actually have multiple cool fronts that are on the way. The first one is kind of embedded in here. There's a low pressure system over Louisiana. We have some kind of cold front that's straight to right around that area. That will move our way. Then we have a stronger cold front that is back here. That is also going to move our way. Then we have another one that is way up at the top of the picture here. And that one is also going to move our way. So we have 1, 2, 3. And all those kind of pass in the same general time period around Friday. One overnight tonight gives us a little bit of rain, and then the strong stuff comes late Friday that really cools us down and gets us into some better temperatures. That's the setup. We see clouds approaching our area. We're mostly cloudy right now, and as we head over the next few hours, clouds will increase and there is the chance for a few showers. This is a serious help. This is a serious help to our drought situation. So you can see the drought monitor there in the bright colors. Plenty of dryness that we've had over the past month, 2 months really. In October, typically one of our driest months, and you can see it here. This orange color is indicating severe drought, then the red color indicating extreme drought, and it's a large area as we just got the update here for this week for the drought monitor, and we need the rain. Thankfully, we do have a few showers coming, but this will not be a drought-busting rain. Taking a look at the radar one more time for you. Here it is. You can see the cold front draped across the central United States along the Mississippi right now, then a secondary boundary through Louisiana. You see the band of showers that will be moving our way. However, all the modeling is indicating that they will break apart just a little bit as they get closer to our area. Let's take it full screen one more time for you. And we will move on. I want to go to the high resolution radar because we have a few showers. So if I put this into motion, if you were in southern Baldwin County, yes, you got some rain today, which is great. It was light rain, but it was enough. And zooming into southern Baldwin County right now, that rain has faded. And I think by the time we get towards 3, 4 o'clock, all of this rain will be gone. Putting it to the current picture, only some very light showers offshore. There is a shower kind of near Battleship Park, a very light one there. As you can see in the entrance of the Bankhead Tunnel and the Wallace Tunnel there and along the Bayway and Causeway. So if you are on the Bayway or the Causeway or are going to be hitting that road very soon, you might see that shower. Also some showers in George County here, just south of Lucedale. That one a little bit of a heavier downpour, no real thunder associated with this one. Taking you to a wider view of the area, you can see that overall we don't have much action on the radar. Zooming out, and this is going to look a little weird because I'm going to be switching between radar sites. And there's the transition. So now we're looking at radar out of New Orleans. out of Slidell, and we can see that in Louisiana there are showers, in fact quite a lot on the radar at this time. You can see it all right here, stretching from a line from Morgan City all the way up to Baton Rouge, all the way up into Mississippi, but those showers should break apart as they approach our area. Let's take a look at Futurecast. This is with the high resolution rapid refresh. This is a high resolution model, and I'm going to move this just for a second. You can see by 5 p.m. this forecast model says that the rain over Louisiana becomes just a bit more broken. Let's put it back into motion. So 5 o'clock this evening, I know we have football games, mostly cloudy skies for the football games in our area. 7:15 p.m. on Thursday, broken showers. That's pretty much it. Not much happening there. The chance for an isolated shower in the Fox 10 viewing area, but those rain chances increase as we head into the overnight hours. By midnight here, you can see rain showers, some heavier indicated by the forecast model. This is the high resolution rapid refresh. It's a rapidly updating model, so it gives us a really good picture of what could happen as we head overnight. 4 a.m. You see that? A band of showers. That's that first little front that I talked about that pushes through the area. And this happens early on Friday morning. But this is not the big one. This is not the big show. This is just a little taste of it. You're going to get some northerly wind behind this, that band of showers, and that pushes through in the morning hours on Friday. So as you're getting ready for work and school early, you might notice the rain, and we'll see what the coverage is. Right now we're going with about a 30 to 40% chance coverage of showers and storms, and most likely just showers. There is a chance for an isolated rumble of thunder, but that chance for rain as we go through the early morning hours on Friday. And then as we go, as you can see, this is the end of the forecast model. This is as far as the forecast model runs out. And by 6:45 on Friday, just a few scattered showers. So summarizing, overnight tonight. Overnight, we have that chance of just a few showers. We're going to keep the mostly cloudy to completely cloudy skies. The temperature dropping just a bit to around 70 degrees by daybreak. That chance of showers, as we saw by the forecast model, going up by 5 a.m. What are our low temperatures? Well, right around 70 degrees, and I think upper 60s for most of us, then right around 70 along the coast there. Not expecting too much yet. Today is not the day where we get the changes. I'm going to use a different forecast model for you now. This is an in-house model that we have. And this one also showing the overnight chance of showers and storms. And those storms, hold on, as we go through the overnight hours by 7 a.m., a similar picture, scattered showers there. By 3 p.m. we get a little lull in the late morning hours. Then, as you can see, more showers developing there. And then by 8 o'clock, we have a band of showers that could be moving through the area. So switching cameras here, this is the big one. This is the more strong front. And as you can see, this little band of showers here. And if you look really closely, you can see these little northerly wind. This northerly wind coming in, indicated by our streamlines. That is the big change. That is the cooler air moving in to the Gulf Coast. And that drops our temperature a good bit. So you see those lines, those streamlines, indicating the wind coming out of the north. That is what we want to bring in cooler air. And by the time we get to our Saturday, a few high clouds on Saturday. So partly cloudy skies with high clouds. So that high clouds means thinner clouds. Not necessarily overcast at all, but just a few clouds to block a little bit of the sun. That northerly wind coming out of the north there, and a cooler wind, feeling nicer. Don't be surprised if it's a little breezy on Saturday. That's typically what happens behind our fronts. So your forecast for this evening, looking at the football game forecast, because I know we have a few of those out there, I'm keeping a very, very low chance for rain. We're going to stay mostly cloudy. Those temperatures at 7 o'clock, right around 80 degrees. What about tomorrow morning? So we have the chance for some overnight showers. Then tomorrow morning, I'm keeping that chance of scattered showers around 30 to 40%. I think most of the day is mostly cloudy. In fact, probably overcast for parts of the day. So don't get fooled by those sun icons. I think there'll be a little less sun than maybe those icons portray, but the chance for showers also there. Spotty showers in the afternoon hours there. Here's the day planner. And like I said, spotty showers in the afternoon hours. 5 p.m., 82 degrees, that northwest wind. That's going to be the good thing. That's that cooler air beginning to usher into the area tomorrow. And then it goes completely dry and cooler by the time we get towards Saturday. And notice Saturday all the way through Tuesday, no rain chance. That's that dry, high pressure behind the front. So, quick summary here, a couple other things showing your boating forecast for tomorrow. Clouds around will be the story, seas around 2 feet. Beach forecast, thankfully the rip current risk has gone to low. And that surf height right around 1 foot, 1 to 2 feet. But of course, they're going to be cooling down. Look at that Sunday forecast, 75 for a high down at the beaches. We are now out of beach weather. So, quick look at the tropics now. I have to talk about this. Tropical storm Felipe is still there, and it's going to continue to move to the north. It's going to move quite close to Bermuda before then making a landfall somewhere in Maine, Nova Scotia, just kind of eastern Canada, very similar to what Lee did, except a weaker storm probably by the time it gets there. One other disturbance far out in the Atlantic, we have plenty of time to watch this. Still hurricane season, people. It is still hurricane season. Now we have to go all the way till the end of November. So we'll be watching this one far out, plenty of time to watch it. So, talked about all of this, and we want the cooler air, don't we? Well, here it is in the 7-day outlook. Saturday, your high 78 degrees, and then dropping to 76 for a high on your Sunday. That's that good feeling air that we want. And we want it to actually feel like fall, actually feel like October, and there it is. Look at the morning temperatures in the low 50s by Monday morning. Don't be surprised if some of the people in our northern areas end up getting into the 40s. Yeah, the 40s. Very possible there. And then we start to warm right back up as we go farther into the extended outlook. We're talking Wednesday and Thursday. And what is that? That is another front. Yes, another front. And let's go to the 10-day outlook. So here it is. Our front passes on Friday. We go dry for a few days and cooler. Then Monday, we really start to ramp back up in temperature. And then you see Thursday, that 40% chance of rain. That is the next front, and then look at next weekend. Another nice weekend with temperatures in the 70s. So it is front season on the Gulf Coast now. We're getting a couple of them, which is good to see, and it's really good for us because we get a little bit of rain, which helps out our drought situation. All right, thank y'all so much for tuning in. We are getting ready now for Fox 10 at 3 p.m. I will be on at 4 p.m. And then Jason will come in at 5 and take you through the evening forecast. And then again at 9 and 10. So that's the story for us. A couple cold fronts on the way, and that will provide us with some much needed heat relief. It is finally over. The heat is finally over, and we can get some nice days with temperatures in the 70s and mostly sunny skies. We're looking forward to that. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm meteorologist Nicholas Herboso. We'll see you in our afternoon slate of shows.